Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about percent change. The definition of percent change is the percent that amount increases or decreases based on the original amount. So we have the amount of change divided by the original amount should equal the percent change by 100. Again, this is just a proportion to figure out how much did something change. So the steps to find this is the change an increase or decrease. That's what you need to find out first. So we're going to put, increase or decrease. Then the second step is set up the ratio. So set up ratio. And again, that's the change, amount of change over the original equals the percent change over 100. And then you solve the problem, solve. So let's do the first example. The price of a stock went from 18 to 24. So we say the change 24 minus 18. We put that all over the original amount, which was 18. Because it went from 18 to 24. And then we say the percent change is what we're trying to find. And we're going to put that over 100. So now our new problem is 24 minus 18 leaves us with 6 over 18 equals x over 100. And then 6 over 18, you can say 6 divided by 18, which gives you 0.3 repeating equals x over 100. I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to multiply by 100 on both sides. And so now we're left with 33.3 repeating equaling x. And so that just means it's the percent it increased by 33%. And that's just how you solve it. That's it. Super simple. You could have also went the way that we normally do of saying, how do I get from 18 to 100? And that's going to be the same way I get from 6 to 30 to x. Whichever way floats your boat. So let's try another one. The number of orders at a bakery went from 80 per day to 70 per day. Now this time we have a decrease. And so we're going to say 80 minus 70 over the original amount of 80 equals x over 100. 80 minus 70 is 10 over 80 equals x over 100. Now, I'm going to do it the same way I did. 10 divided by 80 gives us 0.125. I'm going to multiply that by 100, which leaves us with x. I just said multiply by 100 on both sides. So 0.125 multiply by 100 leaves us with 12.5% decrease. And then finally, the worker's weekly salary went from 600 to 650, so they had an increase, and we need to figure out by what percent. So 600 minus 650 minus 600 gives us 50 over the original 600, and I know I'm going to end up multiplying that by 100 because of the way we set it up, and that should equal x. So 50 divided by 600 leaves us with 0.083 repeating, 0.083 repeating, and we multiply that by 100. So our x should be 8.3, and we're just going to round to 0.3%. That's our x, so it's 8.3% decrease. Not decrease, sorry guys. Increase, we said increase already. And that's your answer. Remember, you always have to label it increase or decrease, and that's how percent change works.